So today we are going to be using the scaffold method of division to solve a word problem with a 4-digit dividend and a single-digit divisor. So let's read our word problem. Liza has 3,284 stickers that she wants to split into 4 equally sized groups. How many stickers will Liza have in each group? Please use the scaffold method of division to solve this problem. So to begin, we are going to take our dividend, which is 3,284, and we're going to write it down, and then we are going to do the division symbol, and on the outside we are going to put our divisor, which is 4. Next, we are going to look at how many thousands of 4s can we put into 3,000. Now, if we look closely, we will notice that 1,000 4s is going to be 4,000, which is greater than 3,000. So there are no thousands in this problem. Next, we're going to look at how many hundreds of 4s we can put into 3,200. So we know that 4 times 8 is 32. And if we take that times 100, then that gives us our 3,200. So 8 times 100 is going to give us 800. So we're going to put our 800 right here to show that it is in our hundreds place. So then we're going to subtract 3,200 from that, which will leave us with 84. So next we're going to ask ourselves how many tens of 4s are going to be in 80. So we know, again, 4 times 2 is 8, and we know that 8 times 10 gives us 80. So 2 times 10 is going to give us 20. So there's going to be 20 4s in 80. So we're going to put our 20 up here to show that it is in our 10 spot. And then we are going to subtract 80, and that leaves us with 4. And next, we are going to look at our ones place. So we're going to say how many ones of 4s are in 4, and that's going to be 1. So we're going to put our 4 up here, or our 1 up here. And then we're going to take all of these numbers and we're going to add them together. So that gives us 821, which is our answer. So to answer the problem, she will have 821 stickers in each group. And that is how you use the scaffold method of division.